English grammar quiz. Do you know how to use there is and there are? Take an interactive quiz to test your knowledge. You have 25 questions to answer. Let's get started. There are 2 banks on the high street. There is a beach very near the city center. There aren't any seas near here. How many parks are there in your town? There are 3 supermarkets on our street. Is there a cafe shop in the station? There are no universities in their district. There are 2 airports in the capital city. There is a bridge in the park. There isn't a pharmacy near the hospital. Is there a barber shop near the hotel? There was a storm last night. There were a lot of cars on the roads yesterday. There are no cinemas in your city. Is there a new printer in the office? When I opened the door, there was a police officer standing in front of me. There aren't any chairs in this class. Where can we sit? There's no tea. My brother drank it all. There are 20 students in my class. How many days are there in a year? Are there any good hotels in your town? It's very easy to visit the UK. There is a train station near our house. There were a lot of people at the shopping center yesterday. There's no hospital in this town? I'm surprised. A lot of people live here. There are milk and cookies in the kitchen. Share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more useful content is on the way. See you in our upcoming videos.